Beautiful, beautiful. Creamy, delicious. Big old English classic. Love it, love it. I'm going to enjoy that. All right, how you doing? So, very simple today. I'm going to make cauliflower cheese. Now, what I've done is I put a few potatoes in mine. So it's actually not cauliflower cheese, is it? It's cauliflower and potato cheese. Very, very easy. Bit of a classic. I love it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I want to get us started by talking about our cauliflower and our potatoes, because it's really all about the sauce, this one. Cauliflower, cut it into nice sort of decent sized florets, and I've steamed that. It's about 80% cooked. Potatoes, I've cut them like that, little bite-sized pieces. And again, 80% cooked. Now the ratio I've got is I've probably got about 2/3 cauliflower, 1/3 of potato. So that's like one decent head of cauliflower and about 3 regular sized potatoes. So they're in and ready. Now what they're in is they're in a glass. You can use ceramic or you can use metal. You just need something that can go into the oven. I've mixed it in there. Now this is quite deep. I don't know if you can see that, but it's fairly deep, this one. But yeah, that's that, because it's all about, like I say, it's all about the sauce we're going to make. Let's do that. So you're going to need a small saucepan or something like that. I'm doing it here in here so you guys can see it. Butter. The heat is on low. A couple of tablespoons of butter, or maybe 50 or 60 grams. Just going to melt that slowly, and I'm going to add some flour. Nice low heat. Okay, wooden spoon. That's melted down nicely. Let's get some flour in. So I'm using a plain wheat flour. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And we're now going to work this on. Keep it on the low heat. We're going to work this in. We're going to work it through. And we're going to cook it until it has a nice biscuit, digestive biscuit, shortbread taste about it. Keep it moving all the time now. And please, please don't skip this stage, otherwise you're going to end up with a white sauce that really just tastes like flour, which is not what we want. About 3 or 4 minutes, low heat, moving it all the time. It's going to be fantastic. It will change colour slightly as it cooks, and you'll get that kind of shortbread smell. And like I say, you can get your finger in there and have a little taste, you know. You'll taste it. It's more like a kind of little biscuit. And then we're going to add some milk. Beautiful. 3 or 4 minutes. It's got slightly darker, not too much, but a little bit darker. I've just tasted it, and it's I've got that lovely biscuity shortbread taste. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add some milk slowly. Staying on this nice low heat. This is going to thicken very quickly. You see that? Add some more milk. And I'm using a full fat milk. I don't know what a skimmed milk would do actually. I never really use skimmed milk. Yeah, this is a full fat milk I'm using. Just work it in, work it in. Those lumps will go away. Don't worry about that. There'll be no lumps in this one once we've finished. We're going to go for some more milk. So far I've put in 500 ml, or just under 1 pint. I'm now going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little pinch of nutmeg. A pinch or 2 in fact. Okay, stay on this low heat. Another 3 or 4 minutes, keep it moving pretty much all the time. Let's take a look at it then. So take a look at that now. That's beautiful. Thick enough. You could make that a bit thinner if you wanted. Been really working on this so it's beautifully smooth there. There's no lumps in there. So what we're going to do now is turn off the heat. I'm going to grab myself a handful of grated cheddar. What's that, maybe just under a cup of cheese. I'm going to mix that in. Like I say, I like it thick like this. And that's beautiful. So what was that? 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pint of milk. Lovely, look at that. I mean, come on, beautiful. Okay, so we've got our cauliflower potatoes in our container. Now get your oven on now, hot, maximum heat. We want this to cook really quickly, so max heat, high, get it on. Now what you can do, 2 ways of doing this. We can pour the sauce on that, which I'm gonna do. Or if you want to like super coating, do it the other way around. Put this into the sauce, mix it, and then you can go back in. You know, and then you're guaranteed a nice, smooth coating. But I'm gonna go here this way. Once it goes in the oven, it's all gonna be good. Look at that. So your hot oven, really hot oven. We're going to get this in for about 15 to 20 minutes. And it's going to cook beautifully. Let me just see if I can grab a little bit more of this lovely sauce that we've made with a spoon. I don't really want to waste any. That's fab. Like I say, this is nice and thick. It will thin out once the heat gets through it in the oven a little bit. Oh man, that looks great, doesn't it? So, more cheese. Cheddar I'm using. I suppose you could use anything you want really, but cheddar I think is the way to go. And I'm going to be fairly liberal with it as well. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Massively hot oven, in it goes, about 15, 20 minutes. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, that's done. There you go. 20 minutes, maximum heat, look at that, beautiful. Bit hot that is. Absolutely wonderful, bit of a classic. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.